occasionally you need to look at two sheets within the same spreadsheet at the same time. So for example, over here someone has given us a breakdown of the tenants, and the pricing template is over here, and if we go to leases, you'll see it's not over here. So we want to perhaps link it. So we could manually do it, say equals, and go to that sheet. But there's another way that we can see both at the same time. So if I go to view, you'll see there's an option here called new window. Before I click it, just notice I've only got one spreadsheet open here. When I say new window, it looks like there's suddenly two spreadsheets. But if you look carefully at the name, you'll see they've got the same name, just with :1 and :2. This is because this is the exact same spreadsheet, just two different views of it. When it's set up like this, we can now go to view, click on the arrange all button, and I'm going to say arrange it vertically. And when I say OK, you'll see I'm seeing view 1 and view 2 at the same time. Why this is useful, at the moment it's looking at the same sheet, but I can come to this sheet, and now I'm looking at sheet 1 and pricing template at the same time. So if you need to compare stuff, you can do it that way, or if I need to copy and paste, or if I need to link. You can see just a lot easier to link that way. Just to prove that these are exactly the same spreadsheet, if I go on to sheet 2, you'll see I'm seeing the same one, but watch what happens over here. If I start typing, I'm going to type here, but watch what happens here. So you can see whatever I do on one happens on the other. So these are exactly the same spreadsheet, we're just viewing it. Where you can use this as well is if you want to look at different areas, similar to the split panes. So for example, on this side here, maybe I want to go to property details, and I want to see this graphic over here. And over here I want to go leases, and we'll see these numbers here. So what I can now do, let me just get it. So there you can see this is in about row 18, this is in row 300. If I make a change here, so let's make this 500, let's rather make that 36 months. And when I click enter, watch what happens to the graph. So as you can see, this graph changes. So this is exactly the same spreadsheet. We're just looking at it in two views, and in this case, different rows. To get rid of it, you just close it, and we recommend you close the one with the 2 behind it rather. Just close that. You'll see normally if you close a spreadsheet, it asks you to save, but because we haven't closed the spreadsheet, we've only closed the view of the spreadsheet, it doesn't bother. You still need to save this as the final spreadsheet.